In this video we are going to talk about 5 simple tips to get clear skin in 1 week. It might be difficult to determine what your skin requires to be as healthy as possible. We're inundated with marketing hype for various skincare and cosmetic products, as well as advice from social media influencers and other beauty gurus, every day. So, according to science, what does your skin actually require? In the quest for clear, glowing skin, what works and what doesn't? Yes. If you make a conscious effort to take care of your skin, adjust your lifestyle, and use the correct skincare and makeup products, you may get glowing skin. It takes a lot of effort to achieve healthy, bright skin and to keep it that way. We'll show you how to boost your skin's health and radiance with some simple skincare, lifestyle, and cosmetics changes in this post. Number 5. Reduce your stress levels. It's also crucial to keep stress to a minimum whenever feasible. Acne vulgaris is one of the most frequent inflammatory skin conditions, according to the authors of a 2017 study. They also emphasize the link between stress and acne, claiming that stress might cause the body to produce more inflammatory substances. Anger or emotional stress can cause acne breakouts or exacerbate existing problems. As a result, it's critical to identify techniques to manage stress in order to treat acne. Techniques for dealing with stress include regularly exercising, receiving massages or acupuncture, engaging in soothing methods like meditation or breathing exercises, and participating in movement activities like yoga and tai chi. Neuropeptides are substances released by the skin to help protect it from infection and harm. According to Dr. Richard G. Fried, when they are released, they might induce inflammation, numbness, irritation, sensitivity, or tingling. The release of these hormones during times of stress might exacerbate existing skin diseases like psoriasis or eczema. Neuropeptides can also travel to your brain, where they alter the molecules that help regulate emotions, leading to increased stress and, in turn, more skin problems. Stress can also cause the skin's outer layer, or barrier function, to break down, making it more sensitive and reactive. This could make your skin more vulnerable to irritants, allergies, and germs. Individual stress-relieving behaviors will also differ. Some people enjoy going for a walk in the woods, while others, for example, prefer to write in a journal. Number 4. Maintain a consistent CTM routine. Cleansing, toning, and moisturizing is the acronym for cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. To thoroughly wash and moisturize your skin, you must follow a regular CTM program. Once you've determined your skin type, choose a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer that is right for you. Skin brightening components such as grapeseed extracts, azelaic acids, kojic acid, hydroquinone, and mulberry extract in your products. This will assist you in achieving radiant skin more quickly. Number 3. Exfoliation is important. Dead cells accumulate on the surface of your skin if you don't exfoliate it, making it look dull and spotty. You can use a chemical exfoliant or a physical exfoliator, face scrubbing, face acids. If you're going to use a physical exfoliation, be sure it's gentle on your skin. Use exfoliators with extremely finely powdered or spherical grain-like particles to gently rub away dead skin cells. If you're going to use chemical exfoliators, look for ones that have AHAs and BHAs in them, alpha and beta hydroxy acids. AHAs are gentle and do not penetrate deeply into the skin, making them ideal for novices. BHAs clear your pores and exfoliate the skin surface. Serums, toners, masks, and other products contain AHAs and BHAs. It's best to proceed with caution if you're new to skin acids. AHAs, such as lactic acid and mandelic acid, are suitable for beginners because they are gentle. Number 2. Use a peeling mask. This is a once-per-week treat. When opposed to normal exfoliating scrubs, a peeling mask smooths your skin and evens out your skin tone by removing more dead skin cells. Peeling masks using natural fruit enzymes, such as pineapple or papaya, are best. You could also try peeling masks with low glycolic acid concentration. It is the most effective skincare routine for radiant skin. A peel-off mask helps to decrease open pores, resulting in tighter skin after the peeling process. Your face appears to be brighter as well. Using a peel-off mask on a regular basis can assist to reduce open pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. Peel-off masks can be one of your best friends if you have oily skin. They aid in the absorption of excess oil from the face, as well as the unclogging and purification of pores. The nicest thing about utilizing a peel-off mask on oily skin is that it absorbs all of the extra oil while not dehydrating your skin. Peeling masks are ideal for giving your skin a rapid boost when you're short on time. Number 1. Choose skincare products that offer a variety of benefits. It's a good idea to use products that have several advantages. For instance, an anti-aging moisturizer with brightening qualities or a cream that minimizes blemishes and evens out skin tone. You can use retinoids-containing products, vitamin A. It's generally referred to as retinol or retin A. Topical retinol reduced the indications of aging, wrinkles and fine lines, increased collagen synthesis, and reinforced the skin matrix in a clinical study of 36 older people, responsible for maintaining the structure, resilience, and stability of your skin. This, in turn, improved the skin's overall appearance. 1. Retinoids are found in larger concentrations in doctor-prescribed treatments, whereas over-the-counter products are milder and have a lesser risk of causing irritation. There you have it. If you're more curious about healthy skin, please be sure to check the link in the description down below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe for daily content. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.